Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chute. So all these videos are prepared which are of very short length 5 to 6 minutes, and if you observe them with very concentration you will definitely get benefited. So this video is prepared on the MCQs, that are the multiple choice questions on the topic prescription from the pharmaceutics 2 subject. So only just sit down for 5 to 6 minutes with concentration and you listen to this video and observe this video very carefully and you will get benefited. So let us start. In prescription, dash is represented by the symbol Rx. So while writing the prescription, firstly the physicians write Rx. What is the meaning of that symbol Rx? It is the superscription, inscription, subscription or signature. So all these are the different parts of the prescription. Out of that, Rx is nothing but superscription. Rx means receive, you take. It is the symbol of god Jupiter. Dash part of the prescription is important for prescribing the narcotic and habit forming drugs. And the different options are inscription, date of the prescription, signature or subscription. So while prescribing the narcotic and habit forming drugs, the part of the prescription that is, yes, date is very important, because these are habit forming and narcotic drugs. They should not be repeated until and unless the doctor or the physician gives the permission. The number of drugs with almost same pronunciation and spelling are called as. So this is also the source of error in the prescription, that with the same pronunciation and spelling, the options are looks alike, habit forming, sounds alike or OTC, that is over the counter product. So same pronunciation and spelling, they are called as an sounds alike. So if you see the spelling, if they are similar, they are called as an sounds alike. Dash is not the source of error in the prescription. So there are various sources of error in the prescription. Out of the following, which is not the source of prescription? And the options are abbreviation, dose of the medication, name of the drug or registration number of the prescriber. So what can be the source of error in the prescription? So while dispensing, the registration number of the prescriber is not the source of error in the prescription. All other options were displayed here were the sources of error in the prescription. Following steps are involved in handling of prescription except. So when you handle the prescription, what are the steps involved? The delivery of the medication or the dosage form, checking of the prescription, receiving of the prescription or the compounding of the prescription. So all other are the steps involved in handling except delivery of the prescribed medication. It is not the part of handling of prescription. The Latin term cataplasm means. Cataplasm means, yes, the options are powder, poultice, capsule or cream. The cataplasm means, yes, poultice. The correct answer is the poultice. Latin term semel in die means. So there are various Latin terms. Out of that, semel in die means twice a day, 3 times a day, once in a day or 6 times a day. Yes, semel in die means once in a day. Once in a day. Latin term omni ora means omni ora, every 2 hours, every 3 hours, every 4 hours, or every hour? And the correct answer or the option is omnivora, means every hour. In modern methods of prescribing the drugs, they should be prescribed by its, yes, generic name, brand name, nickname, or company name. Yes, they should be prescribed by its generic name only. Solutions having the same osmotic dash are called as an isoosmotic solutions. Those solutions which are having the same osmotic, yes, options are strength, pressure, concentration, or percentage. And the correct answer is the solutions having the same osmotic pressure. They are called as an isoosmotic solutions. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chute for such kind of updated videos related to the pharmaceutics 2 subject. Thank you so much.